Have you got your work cut out for you? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom, which is actually a metaphorical allusion, is have your work cut out for you. It of course means to have a tough job ahead of you. And sometimes when you're traveling, getting your videos done is a tough job. Well, this metaphor has got a pretty long history. It goes back to 1551 and it goes back to 1845. It was in cartoons. It's been the subject of a lot of conversations, showed up in letters and things throughout Europe and throughout history, but as far back as 1551. Now, I think of this when I think about having my work cut out for me. I think about my old 400 item to-do list. When I was in corporate America, my to-do list was always like 400 things long. And then I learned that there were things like delegation and letting other people do things. And that list dwindled down to the point that nowadays I don't really have a running to-do list. I've ascribed to a couple years ago, I learned about the one thing and the importance of focusing in on one thing. And so every day I have one main thing, one main goal I want to accomplish. And as long as I get that done, I usually do it the first part of the day. As long as I get that done, then that day is automatically a success. Everything else I get done, because I never just do one thing a day. Who does? But once I get that one main thing done, everything else is just extra and gravy. So I feel like I'm winning every single day. And the cool thing about our business and our life is we can set it up so that we do win. We get to make the rules. We get to set things up so that they work for us. So I'd be curious, have you got your work cut out for you? Are you making your life more difficult and more challenging than it has to be? I think most of us are guilty of doing that, especially as we're running our businesses and our lives. So share in the comments below one way today that you will minimize the amount of work that you've got cut out for yourself. And I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. Where does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business and your life right now? Take care.